Hey guys, so today I just wanted to take the opportunity to do the intro while I'm driving. If not, I'm never gonna do this video. So I wanted to show you how to do some flower crowns. This week I'm going with my best friend on a little getaway, 3-day getaway, to Mount Dora in Florida. So it's close to Orlando. So I just wanted to get something ready for her, like something fun. So I have a bunch of things. I hope you guys really like it, okay? Bye! So we first get the wire and start wrapping around the ribbon so we are not able to see any wire color. Then we are going to secure the ribbon to the wire with the glue gun at the beginning and at the end of it. Make sure you do it with a lot of pressure. And it should look something like this. Then we're going to play with the arrangement of the flowers. So without it being glued, you can start putting together flowers here, flowers there to see how your composition is looking. What I did for my design, I used 2 very dark leaves and 4 kind of like dark purple flowers to give it a little bit of contrast, and then I used very happy colors like yellow and white and pink because I just wanted it to be a little bright. Now we cut a ribbon the size of our flower arrangement. This is because we are going to glue the flowers into the ribbon and then to our headband. This is going to make it easy for the flowers to be glued into the headband. We're going to attach the ribbon into the hairband, like so.